So I got the first pottery challenge up. I had a lot of fun making it. As you can see later in the video, it did take me more than one attempt to see how far I could pull out of 1 pound of clay. And I hope you enjoy it. This is a little less than a pound, but close enough. Okay, so I didn't quite get the height that I wanted. I was trying to go for 8 inches or higher out of my clay, but I'm pushed into the limits of what the B-Mix is letting me do. And I mean, I might have had more luck with a groggier clay, but the B-Mix is what I had on hand, so I figured, why not try it? It is a little bit under a pound, because I figured I'd rather go less than a pound than more than a pound, just, you know, to be fair. So anyways, I figured we could probably just cut this piece in half and then see where I went wrong or where I could have gotten more height out of it. So here we go. Because if you don't learn from your mistakes, then you won't get any better, right? We'll figure out where I could have gotten my height maybe. I have a feeling the bottom is where a lot of clay is that I could have tried to pull up a little bit more maybe to get that 8 inches, but we'll try and see what it looks like. Here we go. Here we go. Boop. Oh yeah, I could have totally gotten more out of there. So, let's see, zoom out a little. There we go. So you can see I have quite a bit of clay in the bottom. I could have definitely pulled that more to get another bit of height. But I got about 7 inches, so that's not too bad. And I generally have a problem with having more clay in the bottom than I should or need. So yeah, I could have gotten more clay out of the bottom, it looks like. That probably would have helped get a little bit more height. I don't know if it would have given me another inch worth of height, but that's definitely somewhere I could have done. Anyways, 7 inches for 1 pound of clay ain't half bad. So I did get 7 inches, didn't quite get 8. Like I said, you guys could see where I could have gotten more height out of the bottom. This particular pottery challenge was suggested, and the video was posted by Matthew Kelly of Matthew Kelly Pottery, and he actually has a YouTube channel too that I'm going to link below for that specific pottery challenge video. And in that video, he actually made it to 8. So that's what I was trying to do. As you can see, like I said, I only made it to about 7. And I could have probably pulled more out of the bottom of the pot, and I doubt I would have made it to 8, but anyways, it was a fun challenge to try, and if you'd like to try it too, feel free to let me know in the comments, or if you did a video about it, or if you've tried this challenge, feel free to just leave a comment below on how tall you made it. And of course, I want you guys to never forget to make messes, make mistakes, and enjoy that process. Bye.